So I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the chas away. I'm gonna put the watch away. Over there. And no key detected. Oh wow. Bringing the chas in. Ooh. Ta-da! Ta-da! The time has come to program the VVDI watch. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna generate the remote in the watch first. I'm going to vehicle remote, which is Ford. Focus. Okay. This one. Okay. Oh. How come? Okay, so it says okay, don't know what that means. So the watch goes in here. This is 65 plate Ford Focus. I forgot to mention that. So okay, complete. Manual selection. Ford Europe. Focus. This one. This one. Yes. Hot functions. Add smart key. Okay, so start. Yes, yes. Okay. this is gonna be a spare key, so oopsie, oopsie. Oh, 4 keys. Too many. I'm gonna erase the keys and start over. Okay, no, that's not the case. Okay. All key lost. Yes. Okay. 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 That's one. And then the spare key. Yes. Nope. Ta-da! Success! Yay! Turn the ignition off. The key out. And let's see. Oh, nice. Huh? It works. Let's test it. So I'm gonna put the I'm gonna put the chas away. I'm gonna put the watch away. Over there. And no key detected. Oh, wow. Bringing the chas in. Ooh. Ta-da! And again, watch is out. No key. Watch is in. Works fine. Yep. Now we'll see for how long it works and how long the battery will last. We'll keep you updated. All right. Take care. Bye-bye.